Video script, the AI velocity paradox, final, runtime, 3 minutes, tone, clear, calm, slightly skeptical hook plus story 1, the AI velocity paradox, midnight to 1:05, the people using AI to write the most code are seeing almost 7 out of 10 deployments fail, and at the same time, cyber attacks using AI are up nearly 90%. That's the AI velocity paradox. And it's the thread connecting every major story in tech this week. Let's start with that deployment number. New data shows that heavy users of AI coding tools, the teams leaning hardest into AI-assisted development, are hitting a 69% deployment failure rate. That means releases getting rolled back. Bugs surfacing in production. Teams burning hours chasing issues that AI-assisted changes quietly introduced. Why? Because AI is excellent at generating code that looks correct. It's fast. It's plausible. But it doesn't understand your system's business rules, your edge cases, or the subtle ways your services interact. And because it feels productive, teams often skip the extra review that would catch these problems. Right now, using more AI in your coding workflow doesn't just speed you up, for many teams, it's speeding them straight into more failed releases. And those failures aren't just annoying. They're where security holes start to open. Story 2, Google's $32 billion safety net, 105 to 155, which brings us to the biggest security deal of the year. Google is closing its acquisition of Wiz for roughly $32 billion, one of the largest cybersecurity acquisitions in history. What does Wiz actually do? In plain terms, it scans your cloud apps and infrastructure, finds misconfigurations and exposed data, and gives your team a map of where you're vulnerable. Think of it as a giant safety net for cloud chaos. And as teams ship faster with AI-generated code, spinning up services, changing configs constantly, that chaos is growing. Here's what the price tag tells you: when a single security company is worth $32 billion, cleaning up after our AI-fueled speed is now a massive business. But if defenders need a $32 billion safety net, what are attackers doing with the same AI tools? Story 3, attackers have the same accelerator, 155 to 240. Threat intelligence from Flashpoint and CrowdStrike paints a stark picture. Attacks using AI or automation are up roughly 89% year over year. What does that look like in practice? AI helping attackers write phishing emails that actually sound like your coworker. Automated systems trying thousands of exploit paths against your infrastructure in minutes. Agents scanning for the exact kind of misconfigurations that AI-accelerated development leaves behind. This isn't just an enterprise problem. If you're a smaller team using AI coding tools and moving fast, you're creating more surface area, and attackers don't care how big you are if your systems are exposed. AI is now the accelerator pedal for both builders and attackers. The question is who's steering more carefully. Closing, 2:40 to 3 o'clock. That's the AI velocity paradox in one frame. Developers moving fast and breaking more things. Companies spending tens of billions on security to catch those breaks. And attackers using the same AI to exploit them faster than ever. The answer isn't to stop using AI. It's to stop assuming that faster automatically means better. 2 questions worth asking at your next team meeting: who owns the review process for AI-generated code at your company? And what's your policy when AI suggests changes to authentication, secrets, or access control? If you don't have answers, that's where to start. Follow for more systems-level AI coverage.